Hi, this is Mrs. Miles recording another Foundation GCSE exam question. This is a 5-mark question. You can just see it down at the bottom right hand corner. It's on a non-calculator paper. This tells you this is definitely a C grade question. Now on the surface, when you look at it, you're probably thinking to do with triangles or properties of triangles, but actually if you're doing this topic by topic, this is solving equations, and in particular solving equations with unknowns on both sides. Okay, so first thing, have a look at the diagram and then have a look at the writing and check everything here is on there. So it says angle ABC is the same as angle BCA, so that's the same as that. Now straight away you should be thinking, right, now what triangle do I know where two angles are only two angles are the same, and that is an isosceles triangle. It's actually Greek for same length legs. Same length legs. You think about drawing a stick man, there's its same length legs, join it up. Okay, so at the end of the same length legs are the same size feet. So if these angles are the same, which we've been told, then these lengths are the same. So it says, what is the perimeter of the triangle? Now perimeter is the total distance all the way around the outside. Okay, but unfortunately I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. So what I need to do next is find the value of x. Now again, this bit here is obviously important. So I know, because it's isosceles, that this 3x minus 5 is equal to that. So you've got an equation with unknowns on both sides. You've got an unknown there and unknown there. When you've got unknowns on both sides, you start with the smallest. So you play a little game, which is the smallest unknown. Now the smallest unknown out of 3x and negative x is actually negative x. So to get rid of it, and that's what we need to do because we can't stand the look of unknowns on both sides, is we add x to both sides. So we get 4x, take 5. Remember, this hasn't got an x on it. And then x, take x, or minus x, add x. They cancel out, so I'm left with 19. The phrase when I'm doing equations is I say cover up and do the opposite, because you're doing inverse to go backwards. So the opposite of take 5, add 5 to both sides. So you end up with 4x is equal to 24. Remember, you're trying to find the value of x. Until you know what that is, you can't do the perimeter. Cover up. Remember, there's a times in there that we don't write in algebra. So to get rid, the opposite of times by 4 is divided by 4. So we're left with x is 6. Now that's not the end of the problem. A little phrase I want you to remember is if in doubt, sub it in. So most of the GCSE exam, well, not most, but a lot of the GCSE exam requires you to substitute in values. So we've just found out that x is 6, so I'm going to sub it in here. So I'm going to have 19 take 6, so this is 13. Now if I've done this right, this should come out to be 13 as well because it's isosceles. So I've got 3x, so 3 times 6, because there's a times in there, take 5, is equal to 13. And 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So the perimeter is the total distance around the outside. So it's 13 plus 12 plus 13. So 10, 20, 30, 38, and then units, centimetres, number of centimetres. So that's it. Okay, so I hope that helps. Oh, just sit down there. I hope that helps, and if you tune in again tomorrow, I'm going to be doing another Foundation GCSE question. Take care, bye bye.